Hi everybody, it's me. I'm back again with some more planty fun. I've said it a couple times now, but in case you're just catching this series, maybe this is the first day you've watched the series, I am combining two of my loves. So I love crochet and I love houseplants. I really love them both. They're both my favorite things to do if I'm not walking around with a hook in my hand. I'm walking around with a watering can. So today we're going to talk about succulents and some different ideas you can do for succulents. So I have brought a couple of succulents here to introduce to you. I wish I had done this the other day or maybe last week because this guy was blooming. It was so pretty. So this is one of my Christmas cactuses, and it's not really a cactus, I don't think. I think it's really more of a succulent. But this guy's name is Tiny Tim. I do come up with weird names for my little plant friends, but you know, Christmas cactus, Tiny Tim, makes sense to me. Anyway, so this is Tiny Tim, and this is Tony. I don't know why his name is Tony, and I don't know what kind of plant he is. I got him, I rescued him when they're on clearance sale and they're just about ready to, you know, meet their maker. I usually grab him up for like $1, and I think he was down to just 2 leaves when I got him about a year ago. So this is Tony, and he's doing pretty well. Like I said, I really don't know anything more about him other than he's a succulent. So I love Tony though, isn't he cute? And I don't know why his name is Tony, because this is my only plant that I didn't name. My husband named him. I said, what should I name him? And he says, he looks like a Tony. So he's Tony. Okay, so enough said about my succulents. Now it's time to take a look at some succulents that you can make for your collection. Okay, so our first one we have is it's a crochet succulent sedum pattern by Michael Hahn. Now I found this on Ravelry, but I also have seen this many times on my Kindle. You know, like I have a Kindle, I read a lot, and they always say, here's some ideas that we think you might like. And this guy, Michael Hahn's book has come up a lot. So the book I've seen is called Knot Monsters, K-N-O-T Monsters. And they're all the cutest little amigurumi plants you have ever seen. I have not bought it yet. I really need to check this book out because I think it looks adorable. So anyway, I thought this little guy was really cute. Again, there's lots of them by Michael Hahn, but I'm trying to keep the videos kind of short, so you can check those out on your own. I'll just steer you in the right direction. The next pattern that I have for today, and the only other pattern I have for today, I only have two, is the Crochet Succulent String of Pearls. So this is by Mawara Crochet. And I think it's absolutely adorable. And honestly, this is probably the only string of pearls that I'd ever be able to keep alive. Now, I've never had a string of pearls, and if I ever see one, I will probably buy it. But from what I've seen on like Facebook groups and Instagram is that they're really tricky to keep alive. So let me know in the comments below if you have ever had a string of pearls, and if so, did you have any luck with it? Because I've always been a little hesitant to buy one of these guys. They are absolutely beautiful though. I love to see them in the pots that have the face on them because it looks like curly hair. So, all right, that's going to do it for today. I'm going to let you say goodbye to Tony, and I will see you tomorrow with some more fabulous crochet yarny planty ideas. I hope you're having a great day. Bye-bye.